Welcome, video lovers. Welcome to Tack Nerd 1.0. Good day here at the Tack Nerd compound. So we've got some PSA stuff to show you here to unbox. So let's get right to it. And I'll tell you now, this I have not seen really any reviews of this, and it's been on their website, the emails that we all get from PSA, sometimes several times a day. And this has been on there as something that, and it said clearance for the longest time. So for their word, that this has been clearance, but it's been clearance for a long time. I don't know why. I guess it hasn't been selling. So here it is, and this is really, it's just an upper. It's a kind of just your standard carbine length upper. Let's take a look at this here. And again, nothing really out of the ordinary about it. It's got, again, it's just a really kind of ordinary M4 spec carbine length upper. And it does have this B5 furniture on here, which I thought was unique because people generally like B5 furniture. I like it. There's their logo right there. And this is it's just the upper. No goodies in it. But I did purchase a goodie to go along with it, and I have this Luth charging handle to complete it. This is going to be part of a larger build. I don't know what that build is going to be yet. I have no idea. I did just order a lower from them, so that should be in at some point, and we'll see what that ends up being. But we'll take this off here. So this might be entitled the cheapest PSA build possible. Because, as I said, this has been listed as being on clearance, and it was 150 quatlus for an upper. So that's a pretty darn good deal, even with it just bare. And I'll show you the BCG we got with it. Now this is a Toolcraft, and this one is logoed. I usually don't like the logoed ones, but again, this was a cheaper option. I'm kind of putting this together, I think, as a just shake around rifle to have or to loan out in case of need. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. Toolcraft is generally pretty good. They're not the best, but they're pretty good. So there we go. And yeah, sure enough, their logo is on there. Let's take a look at the staking. Not bad. Really not bad at all. All things considered, that staking is pretty good. I've seen much worse, I have to say. So, moves pretty well. MPI tested. It's not bad. Yeah, not bad at all, I have to say. So again, I don't really know what exactly I kind of want to do with this. I do have, though, I have some of this B5 Car 15 furniture that I bought, and I think I might dress it up in that. You know, it is in God's color, OD green. Now we'll go ahead and put the finishing touches on this, but those of you in YouTube land, you will not be able to see this. This is only for those of us. Now, if you want to go to the site that rhymes with Bumble, you can see the whole process. But we'll go ahead and do that now. Now, I usually don't get nickel boron bolts. I have in the past, long ago. I usually don't, though. I generally just like to get uh, just general mil spec stuff. But this one was cheap, and it was something different. I haven't had one in a while, so I thought I'd just go ahead and get one. And if this is going to be for, for someone who, just needs a rifle and I'm here to loan it to them, this would probably be ideal for that purpose as a loaner, because I don't know if this person's going to be up to cleaning things or be able to take care of things or whatever. So kind of kind of an easygoing sort of rifle. Let's go ahead and complete this. And those of you on YouTube, you're going to go into you're going to have a little bit of time jump. All right, YouTubers, so there we go. This is the completed upper, as it should look. And again, I don't know why this is on their their clearance. It's a perfectly serviceable upper. Let's take a look at that gas pipe there. Seems centered. Everything seems good there. So, and these B5 these B5 handguards, I really like them. They're very slim, very slick, easy to hold on to. You can really get a good hold with them, and they have the Mlok slots here. So, I think for the average person, this would be great upper. Again, it's PSA, so it's going to work until it doesn't. But they have a great warranty, and when you shoot it out, you let them know, and they'll send you another one. There is the Toolcraft logoed bull carrier group. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it here. There we go. Yeah, so again, pretty nice actually. Now I have a bunch of different ways I could go with this. I could put, if I wanted to, let me see what I got in here. I do have this old quad rail. Could put that on there. Or we could just go with, again, we could just go with the Car 15 look, which I think is probably the way we're going to go. But you guys tell me, maybe we'll kind of build this together. You let me know how you want this to look, and maybe we'll maybe we'll just build it out like that. Maybe it'll be back in black, right? Maybe we'll just leave it like this, and we'll make it kind of a modern looking thing. So you guys let me know what you think down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and please do drop a comment if you have purchased one of these B5 uppers and you have any experience with it. Let me know what you think. Spring is here, so we might be able to finally get back out to the range now that the weather is good. So we'll be able to get some of this stuff out to test it. But again, folks, let me know what you think, what your feelings are, how you would build this out. I hope you have found this video entertaining and informing. Remember, always stay sharp, stay ready, and keep on prepping.